What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man, coming at y'all with another video. And this video right here, man, is basically a reaction, bro. It's gonna be a reacting to the first wave video I have ever watched. And this is the first wave video I ever watched before. And this is a while ago. This is about 4 years ago. You know what I'm saying? I think it was in 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, like 5 years ago. Like 5 years ago. That's crazy it was that long ago. So it's still like a reaction, you know what I'm saying? Because even though I saw it, it was a while ago, so I really don't remember it. But I just remember like typing in like 360 waves, and then he popped up. His name is Jamalis. You know what I'm saying? And it's how to get the sickest 360 waves ever, the secret. And this video was published, as you can see, in 2011, and it is now 2018. Okay, so that was 7 years ago. All right, and I watched it in 2013. This is the first video I watched. Okay, I seen ever on all the wave videos. This is the first video I watched on YouTube ever, on like a tutorial on how to get waves. That's crazy. So I figured, why not do a reaction to this video, man? So anyways, man, I'm talking too much, man, so let's get right into the reaction video.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, so let's see what he's talking about.
So glad of you to join me. My name's Malice, if you don't already know.
Malice, okay.
To you
So
guys,
Malice.
YouTube viewers are looking to find out how to do what I'm about to talk about. Listen, I'm here to talk about waves, a good old thing that's on those black guys' hair that it's all wavy and stuff, and you're like, dude, like, how does this guy get his hair like that? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, just take off my do-rag here.
Bruh, you could tell it's so old, bro. Look at the quality, bro. It's like 540, 540p, 360p. This quality is like horrible. The first video I've ever watched, first wave video ever. This video right here.
Wind blowing, but you can get that effect, right? See the waves? See the waves? Okay. I'll show you guys how to get waves, alright?
I don't know what happened to this guy though. I think I only watched this
when
one.
You need waves, when you're getting waves, when you're making waves, when you're creating the wave. You're gonna need a good brush. 2, you're gonna need a good do-rag, and 3, you're gonna need a good hair moisturizer. If you don't have any of those 3, I don't think you're ever gonna get waves. Impossible. Why? Because you need them. It's like, why are you gonna take recommendations from someone who doesn't have waves? Makes no sense. I have waves.
Right.
Listen to me, but
Right.
you
feel me?
don't need to be brushing your hair 37 hours a day. I know there's only 24 hours in a day, but 37 just sounds more realistic. Whoa. You don't have to wear your do-rag for 7 hours in a day. You don't need a million products just to get wave.
Nah.
Those are some of the don'ts, okay? When you get...
Okay. I agree with this, but then I kind of don't. You don't need, okay, correct. You don't need, but you will want a lot of products, hair products. You will want, because when waving, you got to be adventurous with things, with your hair products, your brushes, and all that. You feel me? It becomes addicting. You know what I'm saying? It's like an addiction, for real. So you're going to want to buy multiple brushes. You're going to want to buy, you know what I'm saying, a lot of different hair products. Even though one will do good for you, one hair product might be lovely to your hair, but you just feel like it's just one more, just try one more other product. You know, that other product just might be better. You feel me? So you're gonna kind of get like adventurous. That's what waving is, man. If you're a true elite waver. But anyways, man, let's get it.
Get your wave game on point, your swag goes up by like 2 points.
Oh yeah,
your
definitely.
Confidence go up.
Definitely.
Because of waves.
Your swag be
Because of waves. Blah, 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 blah.
to
Now
the
we're gonna
roof.
talk about the stuff you could use when you're getting waves, okay? This is some
Okay.
stuff you will need to get waves, right? This is for ladies too. Some of the ladies rocking the low cuts, the low fades.
Facts.
Some
Waves for
guys
everybody,
have
bro.
waves and dudes, like, I'm not
Waves
gonna
for
lie,
everybody,
like,
not for just men,
honey,
for
girl,
women
let
too.
me know. Hook up, brother. What you gonna need? You're gonna need a do-rag. Okay, you see that black guy right there? He's like the national spokesperson for do-rag. You need a good moisturizer, a good brush. You need one of these. And one of these.
Okay, for his type of hair texture, I'm gonna run through some stuff, man. Cause y'all know me, man. I'm the wave teacher, bro. So I gotta say some stuff. With his type of hair texture, he probably just only needs a moisturizer. You know what I'm saying? But with us, we need a moisturizer in the seal. If you got like coarse hair, if your hair is more coarse, you know, it's more nappier or whatever, however you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. You know, he has a more of a curly hair texture. His hair is more straight, as you can see, with this weak quality, but you can still see the texture is kind of, you know, medium hair texture, you know. So he has bigger curls. So he doesn't really need nothing with hold or anything, you know what I'm saying? His wave is going to be cool with just the moisturizer. But for us, we need to moisturize, and we need to seal that moisturizer in with a oil-based product that contains the ingredients of that was a lot. Either castor oil, which is a psyllium oil, jojoba oil, which is a psyllium oil as well, and there's another oil too you can use. Just Google it though, the psyllium oils. It's very important, I'm telling you. If you want to get your hair silky as his, all right? Right back to the video.
Once you have all these, we're rolling now. We're going. We're getting somewhere, okay? You do not need 3 brushes. I need a soft brush for this, and then a hard brush for this, and then they have the medium brush.
So you do.
It's a medium brush. Like, why are you even in this equation?
You do,
this
bro.
This is a double brush. It comes to the soft side and it comes to the hard side. The softer side is for separation. Like, you want to brush and you want to see like each individual waves. Get a soft brush. If you have black people here, you know, nappy hair, like if you're getting offended by this, like you serious?
Hold on. I'm offended, bro. I'm kind of offended, man. Nah. Some people get offended when you say nappy hair, black people hair. You're black though, bro. You feel me? You just mix, my nigga. I mean, that's why, you know, your mama might be Hispanic or Puerto Rican or something, Dominican or something. And your pops can be black as me. You know what I'm saying? It's just you don't never know what you're gonna be. You feel me? You just born how you is, and you embrace your hair texture. It doesn't matter. You can get your shit silky too, like him. You feel me? But yeah, it is important, man. It's definitely important. You need 3 brushes, hard, medium, soft. But I don't want to make this as a tutorial, because I will do another video on how to get 360 waves in 2018. You feel me? From the basics all the way till you become elite. Like, just probably make a book. I need to make a book. I would do a video on it though.
Nappy hair, you're gonna need one of those hard brushes. This hard brush right there, this will get all those naps, and you can brush. Now we're gonna talk about moisturizer. You have all these moisturizers out there. You know, they got the 360 waves, got S curls, wave control pomade, have carrot oil. Now I'm gonna show you what I use, 360 waves, but I find that, you know, your hair gets all greasy. I don't like that grease, because like, you have a female touching your hair and it's just like, ooh, yeah, what's that? Grease. If you have the tougher hair, the tougher texture hair, it'd be better for you. Not for me, but for you.
Right, because you got more
This stuff-
hold.
This stuff right here, nah, you don't need this. This stuff will make you go bald and get 30. You use this for like 10 years and you just start having a receding hairline. Like, you don't even need it. Now I've actually been educated. I'm more knowledgeable when it comes to waves. Carrot cream, right? Carrot cream you can buy at any hair store. You can buy this at the dollar store. Who knows? It's organic. You know, you got that whole green background. All about the saving the environment. Yeah, try this. Carrot oil. Organic. This is good. You know? It's yellow. It has a soft texture. It's easy to wash out. Put that in, and it gives you that shine.
He got some nice waves though. You see his connect. That's why when I saw this video back in the days, I was
like I said, I have mixed people here.
Yeah, I want some.
A little texture, a little softer. It's not as core.
See, my thing back in the days, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I wanted my texture to change. I wanted my texture to be like their texture. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have that same, you know, theory. You know what I'm saying? I really wanted my hair texture to change to the point where I was like, I'm about to get a kid on some real shit, bro. I was like, I'm getting a kid, bro. This is before I was on the wave pages or anything. I was just watching like videos like these. You know what I'm saying? And I was just trying to get my waves right. And I would have the nappiest, coarsest hair. Like, my hair was never this healthy like this. Like, right now, my hair is not even the healthiest that it ever was. You know, I'm working on getting it back healthy like that because I've been brushing more, you know, washing my hair, or my wash routine and everything. Just doing the things that you need to do to make it more healthy. So, I'm telling y'all, I wanted a kid, bro. But never get a kit ever, because it's just going to change your hair texture for the time being, and it don't even give you waves. We took your waves. It's all in the brush, bro. It's all in the brush, nothing else. If you get a kit, it's just going to be for the time being. It's going to only last for a week. Once that new texture grow in, your regular hair texture grow in, your coarse hair texture grow in, it's gonna be mixed between that texture and the perm texture, and it's not gonna, unless you want to put it in every week, then you'll be bald, and then 30 days, bro. So don't do it. But I'm just letting you guys know. You feel me? I'm taking it back. I wanted a kid, bro. I wanted my hair texture to be like that.
Summer. I said coarse. It's not as coarse.
Cause I wanted big waves. You feel me? But I like my waves now.
Mine is a little softer, so I can use this. If you have more of the black people here, you can use 360 waves. All right. So now here's your.
None of those products are organic, bro. By the way.
Because it allows your hair to breathe. If you can see through the do-rag, can you see me? You can see me? You can see through the do-rag. This is a good do-rag to use. They have other do-rags out there. I don't have any examples. I don't use garbage. They have other do-rags out there.
Get you that silky joint, bro.
Like a cloth texture. Silky. It's too thick. I know all this stuff because my aunt's a hairdresser, and I grew up with 4 women: my aunt, grandmother, sister, and my mom. Right? So you have your good do-rag. You put your do-rag on. How you put your do-rag on, it really doesn't matter. Okay? This is how I wear my do-rag. As long as you're holding down your hair, that's how the do-rag works, and that's what it's made for. This is the routine you want to develop. Okay? You go to sleep, so you want to equally distribute the pillow time to that side of the hair. Does that make sense? So now you sleep like this for a couple hours, then you turn, you sleep on the back,
for real, yeah, that's
turn, sleep on
real
the side, toss, turn, and then you wake up. Okay, you wake up, okay? Now this is what I do. I go in the shower, okay? When I go in the shower, I keep my do-rag on. Why? Because it holds the shape, okay? Oh man, this is like totally getting
real talk.
Totally in my way. Just listen to me, listen. Where you do-rag in the shower, because the steam and the water flicking off your skin is naturally going to get your do-rag damp. Come out the shower, take your do-rag off, and then brush your hair. You brush your hair into shape. So now it's in the way you like it. You're going to take some of that moisturizer right there. You're going to take some of that bad boy. Put that on, brush again. Brushing's done, you put back on your do-rag. Okay, like I said, how you put on your do-rag is entirely up to you. So now your do-rag's on. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for your hair to dry, right? You're wearing your do-rag on the road and you tell people, oh yeah, I'm trying to get waves. Nah, man, you're lying to yourself. He's lying to himself, like you're lying. You only need to wear your do-rag in the dampage stage. Dampage stage is when you come out the shower, your hair's a little damp, and you're waiting for your hair to dry. That's the dampage stage. You're gonna do that repeatedly. You're gonna keep doing that. You don't have to brush on the road, right? This is secret.
Hold on, I gotta say something, bro. I gotta say something. Everybody methods are different. Everybody got their own beliefs or whatever, but y'all already know probably blasted, bro. I gotta keep that dewy on, you feel me? If I ain't brushing, my do-rag is on saving progress. Facts. If you're not brushing, throw that do-rag on. If you're brushing, of course your do-rag is gonna be off. When you get done with that session, put that do-rag on right away to save progress. Otherwise, that session will be pointless. You dig? You feel me, gang? You feel me?
We'll get you waves in like 3 days. 3. 5 max. You can't wash your hair like how you normally wash. Scrubbing your scalp. Nah, man. This is why it's my favorite brush. It has the hard side. When you're washing your hair, you could go in the shower without your do-rag. When you wash your hair too much, you're washing out all the natural oils in your head.
Facts.
So I wash my hair in
Facts.
2 days. When I wash my hair, I go in the shower. I wet my hair. I put shampoo. I put a shampoo like I'm putting in my hair grease. I shampoo my hair like this. Like I brush it. Just brushing in the direction of the waves. Why are you brushing in the direction of the waves? Because you train your hair to stay in that direction. Do the same thing with the conditioner. The conditioner makes your hair soft. Now when you're out the shower, same thing. You got your do-rag. Transparent do-rag. Remember that. If you're buying a do-rag, hey, can I get a do-rag? Is it transparent? You need a transparent do-rag. So your hair is wet because you just washed it. You get your brush, and then you just brush it a little bit just to get it perfect. You put on your do-rag, and
how long we got left?
And then
1 minute left.
You're dry, and then you're good. just keep doing this step, repeat it. Alright? All you need is a good brush. Good moisturizer, and a transparent do-rag. Try that, and I guarantee the waves in like 3 days, 5 max. If this was like a flipping infomercial, you see the 1-800 number. Do you 1-800? Call now. 3 easy payments of $39.99. But it's not. This is free information for your mind.
Hey, I could tell this guy naturally acts like this though, but he's in like you could tell he's like a likable person though. He can either be a likable person or some people don't be liking all that like goofiness. They just like you straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people do like that type, of people. So I don't know, man. How many subscribers he got? 49K. Do he even still make videos, bro? I don't know, man. I see the part 2 right here though. He got it in the description box. So if y'all want me to do a part 2 on this video, let me know, man. But that's my reaction to this video. And I told y'all, man, that was my first time. This is actually my second time watching it, but I saw it a long time ago. This is my first video I ever watched of 360 Waves, bro. Ever. I'm telling you. I don't know how I got to it. I think I just typed it in on YouTube or something. He popped up. And I watched it. And then that's when I ran into everybody else, that's in the Wave community now. The OG Wavers, you feel me? But this is the first video I've ever watched a wave video ever. Alright, so y'all watched it with me, man. Y'all probably already saw the video, but let me know, gang, if y'all want me to do a reaction to the second part 2. Like I said, it's in the description box or whatever. But yeah, man, that's it for the video, man. If you're new tuning into the channel, please subscribe. We on the road to 100K, man. 100K, baby, 100K. We on the road to 100K. Also, make sure you click the bell, man, so you could join the notification game. Push notifications. That way, when I drop a video, you will not miss it. You will get notified on your phone. Boop. Okay, but PB dropped the video. I'm clicking that thing right now. I don't care if I'm at church. No, I'm just playing. Don't do that. But subscribe, man. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.